Hi children, good morning. See, from the first unit I taught air reading. What is the air reading lesson? The town mouse and the country mouse. Okay, now second lesson. What is the second lesson? Bee reading. Bee reading, the town child and the country child. Those two completed. Now we are going to learn about the third lesson, that is sea reading, a short story. That is the new blue dress. Okay, what is the name of the lesson? The new blue dress. Have you ever got any gift from your parents or anybody else? Okay. So who will give you gifts? Generally your parents or your friends or your relatives. But here a teacher has given a gift to a girl as a dress as a gift. Have you ever heard this? But here it is going, and this dress given as a new blue dress given by the teacher, it changed tremendous changes in the life of people in the Cleveland. See here, this English language is a foreign language. The story is taken place in the foreign countries, England. See here is the lesson. The lesson is about the new blue dress. A small girl, she got a dress as a gift from her teacher. That changed a lot of change in her life, in the lives of her family, and not only that, in her area, total country. What kind of changes got in their lives? This is the lesson. See, open your textbook page number 19. Open your textbook page number 19, the new blue dress. You take your pencil and you keep your finger there and see. Wherever I am writing vocabulary, you have to write above the difficult words meanings I write on the board, you have to copy. Write. See first paragraph. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change Gates Avenue. People who lived on the pretty streets near Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. When spring came to the city of Cleveland, what is the name of the city? Cleveland. Where is this Cleveland? This is in the foreign countries, so like England. See, when this story took place in the year 1909, in the 19th century, not now, 100 years ago. Now this is 2020, 100 years ago, this story took place. Where did this story take place? This story took place in Cleveland, in the Gates Avenue. The colony name is Gates Avenue. What is the name of the colony? Gates Avenue. When did the story take place? The story take place in the year 1909. What is the time? That is the time of spring. How many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? Rainy season, winter season, spring season and summer season. Between summer and winter there is a season that is called spring season. This is the most pleasant season where we celebrate the festivals like Ugadi, Holi, Baisakhi, such kind of festival throughout the year. And in the foreign countries, this is the spring season. It is the most pleasant season. For flowers blossom, different kinds of flowers, fruits will be available, and it is neither hot nor very cold. That is the spring season, and people love this lovable season, this beautiful season. In the spring season, in the year 1909, the story take place. People who lived on the pretty streets. How are the streets here? The streets are pretty. Pretty means beautiful. Here beautiful means how the streets are pretty. Beautiful means neat, tidy. What is the meaning here? Pretty means beautiful means neat and tidy. Streets near Gates Avenue. Where are these streets? In the Gate Avenue. What is the Gates Avenue? It's a colony in the Cleveland for making gardens and paintings, because in the present season, actually in the England country, foreign countries, how is the climate? There the cold regions. Those are cold regions. Always there are always floods or rains. Next, always snowfall. It's very cold. They always use to wear what kind of sweaters, monkey caps, like those they always use to wear. But in the spring season, they can wear whatever the dress they want to wear. So they can show their beauty also, then they can show their houses, they can decorate their houses also at this time. So all the people, those who are living near the Gates Avenue, not in the Gates Avenue, the people who are nearby to the Gates Avenue, they are coming out from their houses. What they are doing? They are making their house, they are painting their houses and making their houses beautiful, and in front of their houses they are making gardens. They are cleaning the gardens and planting new trees there. But Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. But no people in the Gates Avenue, the colony, they are not coming out, they are not doing any work. They are remaining as it is, ugly and dirty as it is. Gates Avenue was a short street, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. They never expected to have any more. Their houses had not been painted in many years, and they did not even have running water. The street itself was ugly too. There was no pavement, there was no street light, and the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. See here children, Gates Avenue was a short street. How was the street? The street was short. Where is the street? The street is in Gates Avenue. How is the street? The street was very short, but it seemed longer. Though it is small, short, it is looking long. Why? Seemed means look like. Here I gave pretty word. Here I am writing difficult meanings. Pretty means beautiful. Actually, the actual meaning of pretty is beautiful. But here in this pretty street means neat, tidy street. And here seemed given. Seemed means look like. Seemed means look like. How is it look like? Very long. Because why is it looking like? It was so ugly. As it is so ugly, it is looking very longer, though it is very short. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. The families, those who are living near in the families, how they are in the Gates Avenue, the people who are living in the Gates Avenue, in that colony, the people are especially have little money. What is the meaning of little money? They are poor people. They do not have any kind of facilities. Just they have little money means they are poor people. They never expected. What is the meaning of never expected here? No curiosity, because there is no money with them. Only they can survive their life, existence of life. But they do not expect new clothes or painting of their houses, cleaning of their gardens, planting new trees. So there is no expectation for them for their commodities, for their new things. Their houses had not been painted in many years, and they did not even have running water. Their houses, so just they have little money, only they can have their survive their life means have their food, water, clothing, shelter, like that only. But they do not have any other facilities, any other luxurious life. Their houses had not been painted. They did not paint their houses from many years, more than 10 years, and they did not even have running water. What is the meaning of running water here? Running water means drainage system. In front of houses, what are there? There are running water facilities. The drainage puddles are there. The water will be running. It should not stand. If the water should be stand, then what would happen? The stagnant water causing to stagnant water causing to mosquitoes breed. They cause different kinds of diseases. So there is no such kind of facilities also. The street itself was ugly too, because of no running way of water facility. Dirty, it is looking very ugly. There was no pavement. Even on the while going to walk on the running water means drainage system. Next, pavement. Pavement means, what is this meaning of pavement? Pavement means footpath. They do not have even correct way to walk, because of the dirt is completely covered the road. So there is even no pavement. There was no street light. No street lights are there even in the evening time. They are leading their life in the darkness only. And the railroad at the end of Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. There is a railway station, and wherever the rails come and go, that place, the railroad also connecting to the Gates Avenue, it is making more noisy and dirty. The water which is coming from that railway station, that is also making this Gates Avenue dirty, and the noise also making making these Gates Avenue people more uncomfortable. So the people, how they are leading their life in the Gates Avenue, they are leading their life very uncomfortably. Now, the other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. But the little girl from Gates Avenue still wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. Probably that was the only dress she wore. The other girls in the school, see, only one girl that is coming to school, that is the pretty girl. But all the other girls, what did they wear? Who are living near the Gates Avenue, they wear new clothes. But the people who are living in the Gates Avenue, they used to wear the old dirty clothes that she had worn all winter. The same dress she had completely worn in the winter season, and the same dress she has worn today also. Probably that was the only dress she wore. Why she wore the same dress in the winter season in this beautiful atmosphere also? Because she does not have any other dress to wear. So she has worn the same dress on that day also. Her teacher was very unhappy. The little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in school. She was always friendly and polite. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. But anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. But what happened? The girl wear same dress. The other people who came to the class, the students, they wore the new dresses. The teacher felt very unhappy to look at the girl because she had the same dress. So what did she say? The little girl was nice. How is she looking? The little girl was looking very nice. Nice means looking beautiful, cute. Nice means cute, very beautiful. So always worked hard in school. How does she do in the classroom? She was work hard. Whatever the work given to her, she completely work. Even in the class at home also, she never keep the pending. She was always friendly and polite. How does she move with her friends? She moves with her friends friendly, politely. She doesn't make any kind of domination on her friends. And she behaved very polite manner. Her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. Her face was dirty, but she did not wash even her face with a soap. And however her hair, she didn't wash her hair also. She did not take even head bath. Her hair was also untidy. What is the meaning of untidy? Untidy means dirty. What does she do? Just however she wake up from the bed, she came to the school as it is without washing her face or cleaning her head, means taking bath or head bath. But anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. But whenever we can see, look at, have a glance on her, we can come to know that girl is very beautiful, even though she is looking dirty in the dirty dress. One day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that, just for me." So one day, the next day, the teacher watched her 2 or 3 days. Next, after 2 3 days, one day what did she do? She supposed the girl. What did she say? While before coming to school, won't you wash your face? You have to come to school washing your face, taking bath or head bath weekly, like that you have to take. But won't you wash your face before coming to school? You do one thing. Tomorrow while coming to school, for my sake, you wash your face and come. She requested the girl, please do that just for me. The please means that teacher is requesting the girl to wash her face to come to school. The next morning, the child's pretty face was clean and her hair tidy. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." So next day, what happened? The girl came to school. How was the girl today? The girl washed her face. How is she looking like? She is looking cute because she washed her face, but she did not, she has the same dirty dress only. She cleaned her hair also, but she has worn the same dirty dress. Before the little girl went home that afternoon, the teacher said, "Now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." So the girl has the old dirty dress only. Now the teacher requested the girl, "Ask your mother to wash your dress. Tomorrow you wash your face as well as you wash your dress. Ask your mother to wash that clean and tidy dress you wear and come tomorrow." Like that the teacher requested the girl. But the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. So she bought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. but the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. What did the girl do? The girl continued to wear the same dress. She is wearing the same dress and coming the next day also. Her mother is probably not interested, the teacher thought. What did the teacher thought? She told her to wear the clean dress, asked her mother to wash, but she did not wash. What did she understand? What did she understand? Her mother did not have interest in that girl, so she did not wash. So she brought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. So what did the child do? The child, the next day, the teacher brought a new dress for her and she gave to the girl. What did the girl do? The girl took the dress and rushed home. What is the meaning of eagerly? Curiously. What is the meaning of eagerly? Curiously. Rushed means ran away. Rushed means ran away. Okay children, tomorrow I will continue the lesson. Thank you.